ready to ditch the endless scrolling and dive into deeper conversations. Let's explore Instagram's brand new text-based app, Threads. First, head to your app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and search for Instagram Threads. It should pop right up. Tap install and let the magic happen as the app downloads onto your phone. Once it's installed, tap open to launch Threads. You'll be prompted to log in using your Instagram account. It's super easy since it's all connected. Just tap the button that says log in with Instagram. Threads will then ask if you want to import your name, bio, and link from Instagram. You can choose to import all, some, or none of these. Customize it to your liking. This is your Threads feed. Here, you'll see posts from people you follow, and even discover new accounts to connect with. To create a new thread, tap the new thread icon at the bottom center of the screen. Start typing your thoughts, questions, or updates. You can add photos, videos, and even links to your threads to make them more engaging. Once you are happy with your message, you have options to make your message only available to followers, mentioned accounts, or the public. Check out your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right here. You can see all your past threads and manage your settings. Explore the settings menu to customize your notification preferences and adjust your privacy controls. You can control who can reply to your threads and mention you. And that's it. You're now ready to dive into the world of Threads and start connecting with your friends in a whole new way. Go on, get threading.